guys, ayan, tapos na po kami na naglagay ng sheer curtain asphalt design. Bali po itong napili ng ating client is simple, plain voile sheer na off-white. So, kita nyo naman, simple siya but elegant. Tapos, nag-match pa siya dito sa ating magandang chandelier. Those of you who like to order, message us in our Facebook page, and you can contact us at 0942-818-8990. See you there. Bye. Ang ganda ng house, napaka-elegante. We are inside Thunderbird Resort dito sa may Poro Point, San Fernando City, Laguna. Credit po sa ating client, si Architect Percy. Thank you so much for the opportunity na nagtrabaho po kami sa inyo. At nakita nyo po kung paano po yung aming mga products. See you again in the future.